Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access. Sign in to the account tied to Google Authenticator using your password and any backup code you already saved. Once signed in, make sure you can receive messages at the recovery email or phone. This matters because disabling an authenticator often requires a second verification method. If no backup works, locate the account support or recovery form now and note required identity info. Doing this first prevents locking yourself out. You will now remove the app from the account. In security settings, select two-step verification and locate the Authenticator app entry, choose Remove or Replace. When prompted, authenticate with your password and confirm using an available backup code or a text code sent to your recovery phone. This step revokes the app's secret key on the server, which is why you must confirm identity. Once done, the account stops accepting codes generated by your Google Authenticator app. Finish by removing the related entry inside the Google Authenticator app or uninstall the app if you prefer. This prevents accidental future use. Make sure to generate and store fresh backup codes and update recovery phone or email to avoid repeat issues. If you cannot sign in after removal, act quickly. Use the account recovery flow, contact support, and be ready to prove identity with requested documents. This troubleshooting step is the key fallback if anything went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.